Chapter 10. Python Conditional Statements. Many times, we need to take a decision on the basis of a situation. For example, if he studies regularly, he will pass with good marks or else he may even fail. Similar situations arise in programming as well, where we need to make some decisions and on the basis of these decisions, execute a set of commands. We need to determine which action is to be taken and which statement is to be executed, if the outcome is true or false. In this chapter, we will discuss how to make decision-making statements in Python. Decision-making statements. In Python, decision-making is done by conditional statements which decide the flow of program execution. Python allows the following conditional statements: if statement, if-else statement, nested if statement, if-else ladder. Using if statement. The if statement is regarded as the simplest conditional statement. It is primarily used to control the direction. A statement or a collection of statements within the if block is executed only if a certain condition or expression evaluates to true. If the condition evaluates to false, then the control of execution is passed to the next statement after the if block. The syntax of the if statement is given below. Syntax: if, test expression, indented statement block. Hash if block ends here. Program 1. To examine whether a given number is positive. When we run the above program, we get the following output. Program 2. To demonstrate the if statement. When we run the above program, we get the following output. Using if-else statement. The if-else statement examines a condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the indented block following the if statement is executed, otherwise the indented block after the else statement is executed. The syntax of the if-else statement is as under. Syntax: if, test expression, indented block. Else, indented block. Tech fact. In Python, the non-zero value is interpreted as true. None and zero are interpreted as false. Program 3. To compare two numbers and print the result. When we run the above program, we get the following output. Program 4. To show one of the two alternate messages. When we run the above program, we get the following output. Using nested if statement. In Python, we can make the nested if statement which requires us to put the if indented block inside another if-else indented block. The second nested if indented block will run only when the first if condition evaluates to be true. The syntax of nested if statement is shown as under. Syntax: if, test expression 1, if, test expression 2, indented block 1. Else, indented block 2. Else, indented block 3. Program 5. To find out if a student is selected for college or not based on the conditions given as under. 1. Selected if age is greater than 18 and marks are greater than 65. 2. Not selected if age greater than 18 and marks are less than 65. 3. Not selected if age is smaller than 18. On running the above program, we get the following output. Program 6. To determine if the given number is lucky or not. If the given number is greater than 0 and is even, then print lucky number, else print not a lucky number. On running the above program, we get the following output. Using if-else ladder. The if-elif-else ladder is another type of if statement which helps to test multiple conditions and follows a top-down approach. In this, as soon as the conditions of the if evaluates to be true, the indented block associated with that if is executed, and the rest of the ladder is avoided. If none of the conditions evaluates to be true, then the final else statement gets executed. The syntax of if, elif, else ladder is given as under. Syntax, if, test expressions _1, indented block 1. Elif, test expression _2, indented block 2. Elif, test expression _3, indented block 3. Else, indented block. Program 7. To check whether a given number is a 2-digit number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number. When we run the above program, we get the following output. Program 8. To print a message based on the marks entered. Some conditions and messages to be used are given as follows. 1. If the marks are less than or equal to 60, display the message passed with C grade. 2. Sorry, you have failed in the exam if the marks are less than 35. 3. If the marks are greater than 60 and less than or equal to 85, display the message passed with B grade. 4. If none of the conditions evaluates to true, then display the message passed with a grade. On running the above program, we get the following output. Knowledge Zone Python can be used to build anything, such as web development, mobile app development, and machine learning. In Python, braces are not required in conditional statements, and that is what makes the code simple. Indentation in Python defines the body of the conditional statements.